This bow tutorial is going to be on the low strike, Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi and Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi, the reverse low strike, out of the Migi no Kamae stance. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this stance to begin with. Okay. Step up, bring your hands up into a yoi position. Just step back with your right foot. Okay. Pull that bow back. This is a left forward fighting stance. Migi no Kamae. So we're going to do our strikes from this stance. This is going to be our starting stance. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the stance a few times. Go into the arm. Okay. Up into yoi. Okay. Step back with your right foot. Left foot's forward. Just pull that bow back a little bit. Okay. I kind of have a little bit more weight towards my back foot, just a kind of a back stance almost. Okay, so let's go one more time. To yoi, back, left, forward, fighting stance. Now what I want you guys to remember is, for these strikes, I want you to keep your hands in the Junigiri position. We're not going to be moving our hands around. Okay, keep them on your bow, about a third, and a third. Okay, because that's not going to move. Your hands are not going to move along the bow. So the first thing we're going to look at is going to be the low strike, Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. So back down to the left forward fighting stance. I'm going to go ahead and step forward with my right foot, and the bow is going to come across and strike about knee high. Now you notice I do have 3 points of contact, 1, 2 hands, and it is against my hip, right about where my belt's at. It's a good place to tuck it in. You don't want your bow floating, especially when you're making contact with another bow. You want it pulled in nice and tight. So from that left forward, step forward and Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi, right about knee level, kneecap level. And strike. Now from the side, I'm going to go ahead and start. Left forward fighting stance. Going to step through. Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. 2. 1, 2, 3 points of contact. And 3. Now we're going to go ahead and look at this against a target. We're going to have Mr. Disco's going to shift in with a bow. That is going to be our target. He's basically just going to put it right up against the floor. Go ahead and set the bow down like this. It's just basically going to be a target for this first strike. Go ahead and pull your foot back if you don't mind. There you go. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to come into that left forward fighting stance, and I'm going to step through and strike the bow with my bow about kneecap level. Now this should move the bow, move Mr. Disco's bow. Be kind of careful, keep your feet back and away. You don't want to be too close, too far away. I'm just going to step through and strike. Okay? Right about kneecap level. Really just start nice and slow. Just kind of get your distancing down, get your technique down. Once you've got that down, we can go a little bit harder, a little bit faster. So let your partner know. 3. It's a nice strong strike. Okay? You're really kind of using your hips into the strike. Just like that. Okay. Here's Disco. I'll be back out in just a moment. That's the single. That is Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. Now we're going to go ahead and double that up. We're going to do a Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. We're going to follow that by the reverse low strike, Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. The same thing. I'm going to come to that left forward fighting stance. As I step through for the first low strike, pulling it into my hips, I'm going to go ahead and step forward again into a second low strike, and I'm going to pull the opposite end up into my shoulder, right here. Very, very important, especially on this side, that it's not floating. Pull it securely against your shoulder. So I'm left forward. Okay, I'm going to step through. Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. Okay, and then Gyaku. Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. 1 and 2. A couple of things from the side. Okay, left forward, step forward for that first strike, and then the second. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and reverse angle once you see it from the other side. Okay. Just so you can see the shoulder. Okay, step. Okay, and then right there up against the shoulder. Okay, so that's the 1-2 combination. Now we're actually going to work this in a series of 4 strikes with a partner. We're going to do Gedan-Uchi, Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi, Gedan-Uchi, Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. With one of the partners stepping forward and the other partner stepping back. So let me go ahead, demonstrate really quickly. Both of us are going to be left foot forward. Okay, we're just going to do a series of 4. Normally we just count these right out. 1. Good contact, 2, 3, and 4. Keeping our strikes bow about kneecap level. Side to side, we'll just do a quick demo on that. We're both left foot forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and look at that with a partner. I'm going to have Mr. Disselcoin shift back in here. Now, when you start working with a partner, take it slow, okay? Don't worry about hitting fast or powerful. Work the technique, work your distancing with your partner. Once you get comfortable with the technique and comfortable with your partner, you can go a little bit faster and a little bit harder, okay? When you're beginning, when you're starting out, just keep it nice and slow. Nobody wants to get hit on the fingers or the foot, the butt. Okay, now let's go and step this way just a little bit. We are both left foot forward. We're going to be taking small steps to stay in frame. We are both left foot forward. I'm going to count out the techniques. I'm going to count to 4 so Mr. Disselcoin knows how many we're doing. And I've established with my partner who is stepping forward and who is stepping backwards. That's very important because if you both think you're stepping forward, you're going to be really close to each other and you're probably going to smack hands. And if you're both stepping backwards, you're just way too far away to make contact. So make sure you establish that with your partner. So he knows I'm stepping forward, he's stepping back. And 1. Okay, we'll stop right there for me. It's just going. 1, 2, 3 points of contact. Our bows are striking about kneecap level. Good distance, maybe a little close. It's about where you want to be. Okay? And 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to come back my way. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back his way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A little bit harder, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Thank you, sir. Okay. Very good partner drill with the bow. Very well controlled. You know exactly where the strikes are going to be. Really helps you get a feel of the bow when you're striking another bow, that you're keeping that third point of contact against your body with those 2 strikes. So as you start that off with a partner, start off nice and slow. You can kind of build up a little bit of speed and power once you get comfortable with the technique and the distancing in your partner. That is our bow technique tutorial. That is Gedan-Uchi and Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi against the target and with a partner.